Hey guys, it's John here
and Yang
from Model Works,
Direct.
and this is the weekly update of what's going on here at
Model Works Direct.
Okay, so what we have here is a 1970 Chevrolet Nova, Miss Yang, and I'm gonna quiz her a little bit to see if she knows what type of model, what type of style of model this is.
Oh yes, this is a clear canopy. Of
Yes,
course.
it is. And why is that, Miss Yang?
Because you can actually see inside. What's inside?
Yes, and the beauty of a clear canopy model is that you could actually see the details of the interior. In this specific model, it's a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. It's actually a race car. It's the customer's husband. It's a gift. He doesn't know, so he doesn't know yet until this is actually done and presented to him. But anyways, you can see the roll bar and the details of the actual model in itself. Clear canopy, as Yang had said. And this also will have a parachute in the back.
Oh really?
Yes, it will. It's just the unit that holds the parachute. It won't actually be deployed.
Okay.
Right.
So what's the parachute for?
So the parachute in real life racing, it helps slow the car down.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so they'll deploy it to slow the car down. So this is a clear canopy 1970 Chevrolet Nova. It's still in the process of being fabricated. It's not yet completed, but it's getting there, as you can see over here. Clear canopy. And I wanted to show you, I wanted you to zoom in on some of the little small parts here, Ms. Yang. So this is the actual dashboard of the Chevrolet Nova in itself. And
so nice.
if you look at the little details of it, I mean, in comparison to my finger, perspective-wise, and here is the steering wheel.
Wow.
Look at the detail. And this looks like the shifter knob.
Oh yes.
This is the shifter knob, has not yet been put into the model, as you can see. And these are actual components of the parachute itself, which will be in the back of the car. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's what's going on here at Model Works Direct. We have a 1970 Chevrolet Nova, and we also have two twins. If you were watching the video last week, we had two Gulfstream G200s that were not yet finished. And today, here at Model Works, it's just about done.
Yep.
Okay, so this is also a clear canopy because you can
Yes.
actually see inside the interior of the actual airplane model in itself. And the beauty about Model Works Direct, when it comes to fabrication, replicating models, we actually incorporate antennas and all the other little miniature
Everything
parts.
is really in detail.
Yes, very much in detail. And keep in mind that this is handmade from scratch, built from scratch. Taking the customer's photos, blueprints, or any reference points that we could actually get off the web. That's what we'll actually use to make these models. So
And
this
I believe that this is a rush order, right?
yes, it is. Yes, it is. Our standard build time is roughly 6 to 8 weeks. But we can do it in a short amount of time if need be. Of course, that's something to be discussed later on. But anyways, these are two twin G200 Gulfstreams, 16-inch from a customer. And we can't wait to put this in the mail, have him sent, and have him enjoy his G200 twins. Now, here at Model Works Direct, we build models from about 6 inches. 6 inches, I mean, when it comes to small models, small parts, as you already saw here, we zoomed in earlier, right? This is a pretty small part of the model, but very detailed to say the least. Now, when it comes to size, what we can do here at Model Works from that small to even bigger. And so with that said, Ms. Shane, I'm just gonna go ahead and move this real quick here.
Okay.
So Ms. Yang, like I was saying, we build models about 6 inches, right? And to even bigger. And when I mean bigger, I mean
Bigger as this one.
here.
Okay. All right, the big shoe here. This is it.
If the shoe fits, wear it. In this case, you probably can't. But this is, I don't know what size this is, but this is a replica
of the Jordan 1.
Yes. And when it comes to making models, sizes, I mean, it doesn't matter. We can build it any size you want. You want it bigger, you want it smaller.
Bigger than this.
Bigger than this, we can definitely make that happen for you. All right, so thank you for watching this episode of ModelWorks Direct. And we wanted to show you what's going on here this week in ModelWorks Direct. The two G200 clear canopy, 1970 Chevrolet Nova clear canopy, and a big Jordan, what is it? Jordan 1?
Jordan 1.
Jordan 1, you want a Jordan 1 this size, you want a pair. Miss Yang, can you show that up for the camera please, if you can, if you will please?
This big shoe here, Jordan 1.
Jordan 1. We wanted to show you a perspective of how big we can go, even bigger, and how small we can go when it comes to building models here at ModelWorks Direct. So, with that said, you probably can't see me, but you can see Miss Yang, because the shoe is big. Our motto here is, if what?
If you can't think it,
we can build it. ModelWorks Direct.